is Etang,
And for today's online discussion,
we'll be discussing about the frustum of a cone.
so what is frustum of a cone?
Here are formulas in finding the frustum of a cone.
Frustum of a cone. So example number 1. A reservoir contains 48.24 cubic meters of water when complete. The diameter of the upper base is 4.6 meters, while the lower base is 2.3 meters. Find the height if the reservoir is in the form of a frustum of a right circular cone. So first is given. So given the volume is 48.24 cubic meters, and the first diameter is 4.6 meters, and the second diameter is 2.3 meters. So what is asked? Height of the reservoir in the form of a frustum of a right circular cone. So first, we will find the radius 1, so which is diameter 1 divided by 2. So it is equals to 4.6 meters divided by 2, and it is equals to 2.3 meters. For radius number 2, we have diameter 2 divided by 2 is equals to 2.3 meters divided by 2, and that is equals to 1.15 meters. In order to find the height, we will use the formula of a volume, which is 1/3 times pi times height times radius 1 squared plus radius 1 times radius 2 plus radius 2 squared. So height is equals to 3 times the volume all over pi times radius 1 squared plus radius 1 times radius 2 plus radius 2 squared. And next is, we will distribute. So 3 and our volume is 48.24 cubic meters all over pi times 2.3 meters squared plus 2.3 meters times 1.15 meters plus 1.15 meters squared. So 3 times 48.24 cubic meters is equals to 144.72 cubic meters. And 5 times 2.3 meters squared plus 2.3 meters times 1.15 meters plus 1.15 meters squared is equals to 34.48, 44.7716 meters squared. So 144.72 cubic meters divided by 34.48, 44.7716 meters squared is equals to 4.20 meters. So therefore, the height of the reservoir in the form of a frustum of a right circular cone is 4.28 meters. So for example number 2, find out the volume of a frustum of a cone that is 20 centimeters high, and the radii for both the bases are 10 centimeters and 12 centimeters. So the given is height is equals to 20 centimeters. The first radius is equals to 10 centimeters and the second radius is equals to 12 centimeters. So what is asked? Find out the volume of a frustum of a cone. To find the volume, we will use the formula of a volume again, which is 1/3 times pi times height times radius 1 squared plus radius 2 squared plus radius 1 times radius 2. So next is we will distribute the given, which is 1/3 times pi times 20 centimeters times 10 centimeters squared plus 12 centimeters squared plus 10 centimeters times 12 centimeters. So 1/3 times 20 centimeters is equals to 6.67 centimeters pi. And 10 centimeters squared plus 12 centimeters squared plus 10 centimeters times 12 centimeters is equals to 364 centimeters squared. 6.67 centimeters pi times 364 centimeters squared is equals to 7,627.41 cubic centimeters. So therefore, the volume of a frustum of a cone is equal to 7,627.41 cubic centimeters.
Let's proceed to the example number 3. A glass cup is in the form of a frustum. If the radius of the upper base is 4 centimeters, the radius of the open side is 10 centimeters, and its the slant height is 15 centimeters, find the area of the cardboard required to make the cup. So, kung mao ni siya ang glass cup, ang atong pangitaon ang curved surface area of the cup o ang area of the upper base sa cup. So, ang given kay radius nga 4 cm, radius nga sa lower 10 cm, o slant height nga 15 cm. What is asked? Find the area of the cardboard. So, proceed to solution. Solution. SA equals 5 times R, which is the upper base, plus R, the lower base, times L, the slant height, plus 5 times R, which is the upper base, squared. So we substitute the given 5 times 4 centimeters plus R nga sa lower base, 10 centimeters plus times 15 centimeters sa slant height plus 5 times 4 centimeters squared sa upper base. Next is we calculate 4 plus 10 centimeter times 15 centimeter equals 210 centimeters squared plus 4 squared equals 16 centimeters squared. So, we factor out, ipagawas ang pi, then i-calculate na sa 226 pi ang answer. If i-calculate na itong 226 pi, ang magawas is 710 centimeters squared. So, therefore, the area of the cardboard required to make the cup is 710 centimeters squared. Let's proceed to the example number 4. So, example number 4, find the total surface area of the frustum where the large base of the frustum is 22 inches, height is 24 inches, and slant height is 26 inches. So, bali, kung mauni siya ang cone, kani siya 26 inches ang slant height, and then assume nga ang upper base nato kay wala man sa gibutang sa given, assume nga R lang sa siya, and then ang height which is 24 inches and the lower base is 22 inches. So given R equals 22 inches, height equals 24 inches, and slant height equals 26 inches. What is asked? Find the total surface area of the frustum. So let's proceed to the solution. So solution. From the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, himuon nato siyang l squared equals h squared plus r minus r squared. Anong r minus r squared man? Maong ay ang lower base o ang upper base, i-minus siya para makuha na to. Hindi magyani mo siya, so makuha na to ang usa sa side. Then next is we substitute the given. So L is 26 inches. 26 inches squared equals height nga 24 inches squared plus 22 inches and minus R kay wala man tayo given sa lower base dere. Upper base rather than squared. So squared the So 26 squared equals 676 inches squared, 24 squared, 576 inches squared, plus 22 inches minus r squared. I-copy na siya. Then, para i-minus na to, 776 inches squared minus 576 inch squared equals, copy na sad. Then, ang answer kay 100 inch squared, and i-square root mo siya, mahimong 10 inch equals 22 inch minus r. And then, i-post ang r sa pika, so mahimong siya 22 inch minus 10 inch equals 12 inches. So, mo ni r equals 12 inches. So, mapatanakan guys kay sa radius pala sa upper pala ang ipangita. Next is, pakita ko na to ang total surface area ninyo. So, ang formula sa total surface area equals pi times height times radius plus radius sa lower base plus pi times radius squared plus radius squared. So, i-substitute na to ang given pi times 26 inches sa height and then flat height rather, and then 22 inches plus 12 inches plus pi times 22 inches plus 12 inches squared. So, if i-calculate din nato ang mugawas kay 1,512 pi inches squared. So, if kuha na to sa calcu kay mahimo siyang 4,750.09 inches squared. Therefore, the total surface area of the frostdome is 4,750.09 squared inches.